Hi everybody, welcome to ePrime for this evening. I'm Daedran. Lila is feeling elated ahead of her Grammy performance this Sunday. In a post on Instagram, the Treasure Self-Love singer, who's also a nominee, stated that she is honored to be performing at the opening ceremony. The first-time Grammy nominee is nominated in the category of Best Reggae Album for the year, going up against Vybz Kartel's Heart and Soul, Keznamde's Blood and Fire, Mortimer's From Within, and Jesse Royal's No Place Like Home. The 68th Annual Grammy Awards is set to unfold this Sunday at the Crypto.com Arena in Los Angeles. So, who's your pick? Protege and Chronixx are headliners for days 1 and 2 of the Lost in Time Festival event. Now, earlier today, the event conceptualizer and Grammy-nominated singer Protege unveiled the lineup for the third staging of his highly anticipated festival after teasing its return earlier this month. The event, which is slated for February 28 and March 1, will unfold at Hope Gardens in Kingston, with day 1 of the festival seeing performances from Lila and Mortimer, as well as Tassan Chin, Tanya Stevens, Ayatosh, and Joby J. Chronixx, the big act for day 2, will make his grand return to the Jamaican stage after several years of hiatus, and fans cannot wait. Other acts set to hit the stage on day 2 are Gen 9, Jesse Royal, Royal Blue, Diani and Naomi Cohen, as well as David. Now, in a statement to Billboard, Protege said it feels special to be part of a reggae music festival in the capital of the birthplace of reggae, and he's honored to continue the tradition this year. Naomi Cohen is celebrating her first Juno Award nod. In an Instagram post, the Welcome to Paradise singer said, "My first album, my first Juno nomination in Canada. God really surprised me yesterday with this one." Now, Cohen is nominated for Reggae Recording Artist of the Year with the project Welcome to Paradise. A total of 225 nominees were announced for the 55th Juno Awards, which will be hosted by comedian, singer, actor Mae Martin in Hamilton on March 29. Now, Sean Paul is mourning the loss of his grandmother. In a post on Instagram, the Grammy Award-winning singer said, "You mean so much to us, Gran. Your witty sense of humor, poems, gentle life lessons taught us things we'll never forget. We miss you, Gran." He went on to say he knows she's in the most beautiful summer place. He shared that he is devastated following the loss of Grandma Georgina K. Harrison, who he says has changed so much in the world. She died at the age of 101, just shy a month of her 102nd birthday. Now, on the international scene, music mogul Pharrell Williams is facing a new lawsuit from his longtime creative partner, Shad Hugo. In a federal lawsuit, Hugo accuses Williams of cheating him out of as much as $1 million in royalties and profits. The suit says that money is from their collaborations in the Neptunes and NERD. Pharrell's team says they are conducting a standard accounting review and will pay Hugo if money is owed. Hugo also sued Pharrell in 2024 over a trademark control issue concerning the name of the Neptunes. According to Billboard, that dispute is pending at a federal trademark tribunal. That's it for ePrime this evening. I'm Daedran. Thank you for watching.